Hey, it's Rebecca with the Murray Library, and today we're going to talk about how to get picture books on your Libby app. They're a lot of fun for your kids, and so let's go ahead and take a look at that. I've got my iPad right here, and we're going to go ahead, and I've got the Libby app right there, so we're going to press that. Okay, so here's the home page. We are going to go into Explore, so right over here on the right-hand side, we'll press that. Then we've got over here at the bottom left, it says Subjects. We're going to press that one. And in this second column, it says Picture Book Fiction. So we're going to go ahead and press that. And here we go. There's a bunch of items in here. Let's see. Let me see if I can move it up. My iPad doesn't like me sometimes. There we go. So we've got a pretty good list here. Apologize for all the shaking. Let's go ahead and check one out and see what it looks like. So, let's see. Let me go back up. Sorry. There we go. Let's get Pete the Cat. Let's borrow that one. And we're going to borrow it here. I'm just waiting for that to load. Okay, so now we're going to open the book right there. There it goes. And all right, so it looks just like a regular picture book, just on your iPad. So let's go ahead and take a look. What makes it a little bit different though is right down here it says Start Narration. So let's press that. Okay, and you'll notice as it's going, oops, let's see here, I don't think I pressed it. There we go. The words will light up.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
So you've got the audio, and it's just like a read along. Oh, and it's doing it twice. There we go. Okay.
Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries.
All right.
What color did it turn his shoes?
Let's go ahead and pause that.
Did Pete cry?
All right, so that is how you get into your read-alongs. And I had borrowed that before, so that's why it started off in the middle, because I had already gone through part of the book and then returned it. So if you are interested in a read-along, that's the way to go. All right, have a good one.